Hi everyone, this is Olivia. Have you noticed that some indicators are used by traders way more often than others? Okay, today we have something unique. So, Freddy, let's get straight to it. Starting right away with a trade, and I'm entering the down position for 1 minute. What makes this indicator combo unusual is that the rune is often underrated. More often, traders go for super trend or zigzag, even though rune is a trend indicator performs incredibly well. So the key is choosing the right settings for the time frame, and I have paired it with parabolic star set to standard values, and together they provide highly accurate signals. So here we can see that parabolic star indicates a price decrease and our rune confirms this signal. The red line is at the top and continues moving forward. So this line represents seller's trade. So when we see a crossover like this one, we enter a down trade. Okay, the first trade closes in profit, guys. Just perfect. Let's keep going. By the way, guys, if you want to receive the best signals, strategy breakdowns, and even trade live with me, make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I will open next trade here as well. Again, down because sellers are quite strong. Based on my prediction, the price should drop at least to this level. So I will take another trade on this currency pair before moving on, guys. Okay, an important detail, setting up the rune indicator. So for a 1 minute time frame, the best period is 8. That's exactly what I have here. As you can see, we are on 1 minute time frame with a 1 minute expiration. So now the second trade is about to close in profit, I think. So once the price fully breaks this support level, we could even take one more trade here, but I probably won't wait for that. So profit is on and we move forward. I see an opportunity for an up trade, 1 minute, $300. So let's watch. Immediately the price starts moving up, which is exactly what we want when entering a buy trade, guys. This situation is very similar to before, and here our blue line is at the top, so almost touching the upper boundary, which indicates strong bullish momentum and potential upward movement. Parabolic SAR also confirms the price increase. Okay, these two signals from our indicators are enough for me to confidently enter a buy trade. And as you can see in just a few seconds, this trade is also closing in profit. So look at that, a perfect green candle. That candle alone secured our profit. Okay, I think that this strategy is great for beginners, but experienced trader can also take advantage of it. So I think we can wrap up it here because we have covered all the key points. And just like that, a few well-placed trades and we're back in profit. As you can see, the rune plus parabolic SAR combination gives us clear and reliable signals that makes it great tool for trading. And the most important thing in trading is finding the strategy that works for you. So the rune can be a hidden weapon for finding best entry points. And let me know in the comments which indicators do you think are underrated, and would you like to see more breakdowns like this. Thank you for watching.